We are making black coffee today. Take 2 tablespoons of granular coffee. Oops, I think my brain is in the mood of a lot of coffee today. If you're a coffee connoisseur, this video is going to be the best 3 minutes of your day. So why don't we try making some delicious variations of your beloved drink? I just can't wait for my blissful cuppa today. Let's make an iced mocha first. For that you will need chocolate sauce, sugar, the black coffee, milk and lots of ice. In a glass, pour a few tablespoons of chocolate sauce first. Now take half a cup of strong black coffee and wait, don't take a sip just yet. First go ahead and add it to the glass. Stir it well. Can you smell that divine aroma? Add sugar if you have a sweeter tooth and stir it again. In your serving glass, add a few ice cubes. Well, in this weather, we need a lot of them. Now let's add our chocolate black coffee combination to the glass. Finally, slowly pour in the milk to the glass and take a moment to enjoy it swirling with the coffee. Then stir again. Here's your iced mocha all ready to be served and to be devoured. Now we are making iced cinnamon latte, for which you will need cold brew coffee concentrate, ground cinnamon, sugar syrup, milk and tons of ice. In a mason jar, add a cup full of milk. Add a little more than a pinch of ground cinnamon. Stir this mixture up until you see a thin layer of froth forming on the top. Don't you think it is too satisfying to see them blend? We love it. However satisfying this might be, we must set this glass aside and get another one. In this glass, add some ice and cold brew concentrate. Don't forget to breathe in the soft coffee notes in the air. Now add sugar syrup to the mixture and stir it well. Slowly add your frothy cinnamon milk to the glass. And your aromatic elixir is ready. It's ice frappe time now. First you will need strong black coffee, fresh milk, sugar, whipped cream and ice cubes. Add some ice cubes into a jar and pour half a cup of black coffee. Now add the milk of your preference. And top it up with some delicious whipped cream. This one's easy. Your drink is ready to serve in your favorite glass. Enjoy! Here's all you need to make an iced caramel macchiato next. Strong black coffee, whole fresh milk, caramel sauce, sugar and ice cubes of course. Garnish a glass with caramel sauce by running a spoonful along the glass from inside. Add a few ice cubes and then pour half a cup of strong black coffee. Pour it slowly to avoid any splashes. Now add the milk according to your preference. Get ready to enjoy your sinful glass of iced caramel macchiato. How about a white chocolate mocha latte next? Here's what you all need. Milk, melted white chocolate, strong black coffee, sugar if you want, and ice cubes. Pour melted white chocolate in a jar and add milk to it. Stir the concoction together. Take a serving glass and add ice cubes to it. And now pour in the black coffee. Add sugar. Hey wait, I don't think I need sugar this time. Now add the previously made milk and chocolate mixture and give it a thorough stir. Your drink is finally ready to be served. Enjoy!